Pet owners in Dane County may soon have to pay more to license their dogs if the county board adopts a license fee increase for 2025. Jarrell Ballard is at the McFarland Municipal Clerk with a look at how much this fee increase could be and why some aren't happy about it.
Yeah, hey Brandon, you know, the village of McFarland is known to be a dog-friendly environment, which is one of the reasons the village board sent a letter to Dane County asking them not to approve a dog license tax increase.
McFarland absolutely loves its dogs. I think every community in Dane County and around the country loves its dogs.
Public Health of Madison and Dane County proposed a $15 increase for an unspayed or unneutered dog and a $5 increase for spayed or neutered dog in licensing fees for 2025.
Our clerk was very concerned about the dog license fee increase because it's the county who sets the increase, but it's the municipal clerks who have to enforce that increase and who actually collect those fees.
McFarland Village President Carolyn Clow says her local clerks will already be overwhelmed after the election, and she fears an increase in fees will decrease the number of dog owners licensing their four-legged friends.
It's better for the community for everyone to license their dogs, right? We do that to make sure that we know who the owners are, so if there's a dog bite or another incident with the dog, we can find the owner. We also do that so that there's proof of vaccination status.
According to the county, these fees help pay for several pet support programs and haven't been increased since 2019, making it more challenging to maintain those services. And according to the county, only roughly 20% of dog owners in the county are actually paying their dog licensing fees, once again making it more difficult to maintain those county services. Reporting in McFarland, Jarrell Ballard, 27 News.